Hi, I'm Callum Ryan.
And I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and today we're at 20 Bertram Street in Park Avenue.
This fantastic home has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom and is situated on 1,780 square metres. Let's check it out.
In this incredible backyard, I almost feel like Dr. Harry. We've got the native lorikeets having a feed, and there's so much on offer here. We've got a huge block of land, a shed, a shade port for a camper van, a caravan and a boat, and also a wonderful outdoor patio area. I'm sure you'll love spending time in this area.
This home is absolutely perfect for someone who is looking to improve an already established block. If our team can help you own 20 Bertram Street, give us a call today. We would love to help you out.